Yes, we are under obligation to use turn signals. But what we can do if something wrong, how we can find broken relay, how to replace bulb, and how we can continue driving with broken turn signals, how we can understand that something wrong with our turn signals.
Patrick's Garage.
Grab your snack, welcome back. And when I bought 940 series, this car was old, really old, and turn signals was broken, and this lever was broken, and bulbs without contacts. I found where these contacts broken, connect these wires to the sockets, and I found a lot of malfunctions, which was with this car in this first period when I bought this car, so it can be happen. I remember when I bought 940 series with these turn signals, I know a lot of problems. Bulb not blinking, what that means, relay, not relay, circuit. But later I understand how to realize that this was a relay fault, behind the ashtray. You remove the ashtray and you can touch all this relay. I turn on the turn signal, and I put my hand to this relay and I feel which relay works, but this not works correctly. These relays are really cheap for 940 series, so problem was solved easy way, but was problems with bulbs, with sockets, contacts, wires was not connected to the socket. But these really simple problems, but you can't using your turn signals. You're under obligation to using these turn signals. Always signal when turning left or right, changing lines, slowing down or stopping. It lets other drivers, motorcyclists, bicyclists, and pedestrians know your intentions. And my favorite, a lot of guys don't want to turn on the turn signals if nobody everywhere they can see anybody. So, but here, even when you do not see other vehicles, a vehicle you don't see may suddenly appear and hit you. So, always we want to turn on our signals. When you turn signals wrong, signals may be given by hand and arm positions or by using the vehicle signal lights. Yes, but they broke. If bright sunlight makes the signal lights hard to see, also use hand and arm signals. But what we can do if our signals broken? First, how we can realize that our signal, turn signal, and hazard system broken. They blinking too fast when one bulb not connected or this bulb not works and you want to replace this bulb. So you see on your cluster this warning signal lamp on the dash blinks too fast. And 140 series uses in this car in 60s two contacts relay. You turn signal on and control lamp blinks from this signal which goes to the turn signal. But later, in 70s, like in my car, this relay with three contacts. And you want to realize difference with modern relays. One contact in olden days intended for connect to the dash signal lamp. So really hard to find this relay nowadays. Only original, so you can't use a different type relay. You want to understand all this scheme of turn signals. Even how you can find what wrong. You want to see first on your dash, and you want to go to corners and see where in which corner bulb not blinking. And this bulb not blinks. What you want to do? You want to see socket condition. A rusty socket, the electricity current can't go to the bulb, so turn signal not works, and this relay works with different speed, and you want to install a proper power, proper bulbs with proper power, which intended especially for your turn signals. 21 watt, you know, you want to use for turn signals. But if you put different bulbs, it will not working. If not correctly, or probably even it will not working, this system, if you're using different bulbs. Yes, when something wrong with car, you can show your turn signal by your arm, your hand using for this. When you turn right, when you turn left. But this different when you different from driver position, if you will, showing your turn signal to this to the right by right hand if you're sitting here, and nobody want to see, especially if your rear glass covered stop sunshine, this is cover black rear glass, nobody can see through, and nobody can guess what you're showing them inside the car interior. So this will be left turn, right turn, slow or stop. Okay, stop signal. When lens broken of your turn signal, you want to replace this lens, but as more often can be with old cars, really rarity cars, you want to restore.
This old trick with dichloroethane. You can melt remnants of lens and then fill this broken segment of your lens. It was done by me, but maybe you want to achieve more better result. A coat of clear lacquer will give a good glossy finish. More better to buy brand new lens for your turn signal, so you're unencumbered by searching process of a really rare lens for your old car. You can just restore the old ones. Sometimes more easy to restore old pants than go and find and buy the brand new. And especially with old car, you want to order, you want to wait new parts, and in a lot of cases simple repair can be done fairly well. Sometimes guys prefer black lacquer, they coat their lenses, and nobody can guess that it was broken. Glossy lacquer can easily hide these cracks, spots where was a repair done, and this lens will be not worse than the brand new altogether. More difficulties, yes, this is obvious, but more difficulties you can cross with rusty contacts, wires, relay. Relay can be wrong when it is or isn't good working condition. You're using proper lamps with proper designation, which intended for your turn signals. First, we want to really sure that all these parts are really proper for our signal, turning signals for our system. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet,
please do click the subscribe button and notifications bell, so that way you can be notified as soon as I upload new videos.